Hello everyone, it's Joel here from Joe TV, your local IPTV provider. Today I want to show you how to sideload the app in Amazon Fire TV Stick so we can utilize in watching IPTV. So first thing you're gonna do here is to after you sign in, you will go in apps and go down into the featured and press right into categories. So I'm using the basic Amazon Fire TV Stick, and here is how the remote look like. It doesn't have Amazon voice Alexa, so you press right on the category and then go down in the utilities right there and then press OK. OK is the center of the round wheel here in the remote. And then the first thing we will download here is the downloader. So you will download that app. So once it's downloaded, it will install itself, and then you will press OK so it will open, and just press OK again, and then it will go directly to the browser. In the browser, you press OK here, so the keyboard will pop up, and just type tiny url.com and then / and then Joe TV STV. And after you type that URL, you just go down here and go and press OK, and it will download the app that we need to run the IPTV. And after you download that, just hit install. So of course we need to open the we need to change something in the settings so we can sideload app. So in this case, it will not allow you to install. It's saying could not install the APK because apps from unknown sources is not is turned off. So to fix that, you will just press home, and you will go to your settings in your Amazon Fire TV Stick and go to my Fire TV and go down to developer options and make sure the apps from unknown sources is turned on. And then after that, you will press home again, and then you open that downloader again, and then this time you can install the app by pressing OK. So you will just go to install, and as you can see, it's installing the Joe TV STV right there. You can use any other APK apps, but right now in the Amazon Fire TV 4K, the only free STV EMU APK is working, but there's a lot of advertising, so you don't want to have that one. So after it's installed, you press open and then configure application. You make sure that is highlighted, press OK, and then we'll go to profiles, and we go to the new profile, and then STV configuration. The STV configuration, this is the MAC address that we need, so we need to go down there because the MAC address is the most importantly you need to forward to your IPTV provider so they can register your device and you can start watching. So make sure you take note of that. So after you take note of the MAC address of the device, you press the back button, which is the arrow back here. You press that one and you go directly to the portal settings, and the portal URL on the top, press OK, and then again you need to press OK again to bring up the keyboard, and we need to change the URL. So bring down the cursor to delete, and make sure you delete everything except the HTTP to / and then this time I will use the Express portal. So I will use the portal name for the Express. If you have any portal URL from your IPTV provider, this is where you will put that portal URL. So after you put the portal URL, click next and then press OK. So that's it. Basically, you just need to get the MAC address and put your portal URL, and you press back, and this time we need to configure the remote or program the remote. So press arrow back 2 or 3 times, and then you can see here the remote for the basic Amazon Fire TV has only like 6 buttons there. So if you want to program the buttons, you will go in the configure key maps. So press OK in there, and then press down in add key and press OK. So what I will program here for now is the fast forward, this one. So I will press fast forward and make sure the action not selected is highlighted. Press OK, and then I'll go down all the way down to the button video forward. Okay, and then I will save that key, and then I will press OK again. Next thing I will program here is the play pause function. So I will press that one and then press OK again and go all the way down to that button video play pause, and then I'll save that key again. So I have 2 program key already, so I will add another one, and this time is the rewind, and then action not selected. Press OK again and go all the way down to button video rewind, and then save key. And then I want to add another key in there. In IPTV, especially the emulator, it's very important to have the blue, yellow and green button. So this time I will press OK again to add key, and I will press the fast forward button again, and I will press OK, and this time I will use button blue, but that is a long key press, and then save key. So you see the fast forward, we programmed the fast forward 2 times, one in video forward and one for the button blue. So you see right there, it's a long key press. So there's a check right there, the green check. Now I will press OK again, and I will press play, and I want to program the play button to button yellow. So it's all the way down here, right there. And now again, that is a long key press, and I will save that key, and then I will add key again. I will press the rewind and then press OK, and this time I will program that to button green. So that's long key press and save key. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 button that was programmed there. So now I'll press the back button here, and then one more time, and then it will bring you up into this screen. So make sure you press the the three lines here, or the menu, and then there will be a menu pop up on the right side of the screen. I will just press exit, and it went back to the downloader, so I will delete this file now, and delete, and then I'll press home, and right there you see on the left side we have the app installed, and I want to get rid of the downloader application, so I will just press I will go in there in your apps and games, press the three lines, and then you see on the right side down corner I will press uninstall, and that app will be uninstalled. And I will maybe go there again all the way to the right, and I will find that new app that I just added, and then I'll press the three lines again, and I want that to move in the front. So that's move to the front. I'll press the home button, so it's right there in the front. And one more trick I want to show you here is on the settings. When you go on the settings and you go to applications, and when you go to App Store, you will just hide the cloud apps, so it will hide all the apps that you don't want to see in your home screen. So when you press home, it will only show the apps that you need. Okay, so now I will open that application now, so I will press OK, and it will bring up the portal. You know, it's properly configured, so we will check if we properly configure the fast forward and the blue buttons. You can see that's the Express server that we have. It's a 4K. If you have a 4K TV and a 4K Amazon Fire TV stick, this is the best server. You know, you can go back 7 days. Alright, it brought us directly to the channel, so you press OK. These are the channel lists. So TV, let's see the all channels, and then let's set this to the favorite. You see the yellow color there, that's the favorite, and we program the play button. When you press hold that one, it works. So now I'll go back again in the video club. We'll press OK. Let's see older one. Okay, so let's see fast forward, and it's working. Fast forward is working. Okay, and if you see that the video is stretched like that, you can press the menu function here, and then go to the aspect ratio and set that to auto, and it will fix the screen, and it's not stretched. So I'll go back there, and now I will try to see if the blue button is working right there. So I'll press the fast forward and then search, and yeah, so that means I can search a movie. So I can search any movie and it will show there. Okay, so that's all, folks. If you have question, call me or reach me out to my Facebook page, and I'll try to help you, and I'll try to answer all the questions as fast as I can. So thank you so much for watching, and again, this is Joe from Joe TV. Thank you so much.